EMS Consulting Group has been helping companies transform their businesses for over 20 years. In this video, we will educate you about the concept of Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese term that literally means good change or change for the better. When we improve a process, a product, or a service in an incremental way over time, this is continuous improvement. And continuous improvement is Kaizen. The way Kaizen happens is with full involvement from the people who actually do the work. This works through a concept of lean, or the Toyota production system that many people call respect for people but might better be understood as respect for humanity. This is the idea that people intrinsically have creativity and thinking skills that are largely untapped. Instead of asking employees to simply do their jobs, we must involve them in the process of improvement. They will be able to help identify obstacles that get in the way of their work, and ultimately Kaizen can happen. Kaizen is aimed at making things better through the elimination of muda, or waste. Taiichi Ono identified the 7 wastes with which we are all familiar. These include overproduction, waiting, transporting, inappropriate processing, excess inventory or storage, unnecessary or excess motion, and defects. Kaizen is accomplished through problem solving. The Toyota method, known as Toyota Business Practices, is commonly called A3 problem solving in the lean world. The 8 steps include: 1. Define the problem. The problem is the gap between the current condition and the target condition or standard. 2. Investigate, break down the problem into manageable pieces. 3. Set a target for improvement. 4. Identify the root cause or top contributing causes. 5. Select appropriate solution among alternatives. 6. Implement the solution. 7. Check impact. And 8. Adjust, standardize, and spread. Utilizing our problem-solving process and engaging all of our employees, we work to make Kaizen happen. Kaizen events or rapid improvement events can be used to achieve rapid change. But more importantly, on an ongoing basis, we need a constant drumbeat of improvement through daily Kaizen. The improvement and coaching kata, aka Toyota kata, is our methodology of choice to make this happen. Using the problem-solving process, short-term targets are set and achieved through daily PDCA experiments. Each day we learn, adjust, and plan out the next experiment toward the target. So, that's Kaizen, a simple yet powerful method for improvement. At EMS Consulting Group, building our clients' capability has always been our focus. We provide our clients with customized lean training, coaching, and facilitation support while helping them build the continuous improvement culture necessary. Over the years, we have made learning less expensive and more flexible through our e-learning and virtual options while still maintaining our on-site capabilities. Contact us today at emsstrategies.com to learn more.